I need bird seed. I'm so happy I have the time to watch a cicada get its wings.
That's so cool.
10 years. I think underground. 3 or 10. It's years. At least one.
That's a long time.
Yeah. I don't know if it's 10, but it's at least one. But some of them are like 10.
Wow.
There are ones that are 10. But I don't know. But they, at least a year, they go underground and they start coming out right now. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. This waited a whole year to do this, and we get to see it.
Yeah, that's amazing.
I think it's pretty cool.
It is.
Am I on fire?
Don't put your butt smoking.
And I get to record it and share it and make art out of it. Yay.
Yeah, not too many people get to witness this.
I don't think so, no. I mean, not unless you try, right? Is it gonna fall down when it comes out? Oh, I should have live streamed it. That's okay. It's more fun to make a video. Brand new body. Brand new body. It was just walking around and that other thing a second ago. Now it's going to be able to fly. It couldn't fly before. Now it's going to have like 4 wings. Or is it 2? No, I think it's 4, kind of like a dragonfly. You know these things look exactly like a praying mantis before they turn into this? Dude, it's a scary looking bug. I'll show you. It's super scary looking. It goes underground for an entire year. Then wakes up, is like, its body is starting to come off of its, I don't think it can see. I don't know how it could. It's covered in dirt. It was just, and then attaches itself to something, and then its back splits apart. I bet we can do this. Something similar. We're mammals, though. Do you know, I found out that sorry, I'm still thinking that it's just so hard for me to say. I don't even know how to say it. That it's twitching. That the occult people, the people who like worship Azazel and Baal and the horny bull and stuff, that they want to try and make a baby come out the ass. You remember how we couldn't figure out why they were so obsessed with the butt, or at least I couldn't. I was so disturbed with it. Like, I couldn't let it go because I just could not figure out this whole song, butt muscle, like dedicated, and his hair was up her, and it's not because I like thinking about it. I'm curious why somebody would ever think to do something like that. Like, that is not something I don't think I'd come up with that. So it's a really weird thing to put like somebody's hair in your butt. And why would you, let alone more than one of you, think that was a good idea, and then on top of it want to record it and show it to people? Like, that is some helly motivation right there. Yeah. So I'm like, wow, they really put a lot of effort into this. So maybe, and they're the people, like this woman or whatever she's considered a consultant to famous people and people in power, and she gives them advice, the lady who made butt muscle. So maybe I should try and understand her a little bit, because she seems to be influencing the people in power, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't want to give too much thought to things that are like that unless there's a good reason. At least I think so. And so that has never left my mind. The musician Taylor Swift recently got married to this football player named Travis Kelce. It's a big deal for people. And I only have a little bit of coffee. Do you want me to take you to get some coffee?
Sure.
Or what about my cicada? Because if it drops to the ground, I'm gonna have to move the camera
Oh,
just to get its first crawl, and then I'm free.
okay.
But I'm committed right now. Yeah, there's lights. It's not warm or anything.
When you drink as much coffee as we do, it don't matter.
I like my first cup of coffee in the morning to be light. I see if it was me, the situation, I would wait. I would just wait. I would just hold off and I would just be like, "Hold up." But I'm very particular. And the reason you're drinking a Sincera, it's me. Yeah.
You know, they made the Arnold movie too. Arnold has a movie. And when I was a kid, I was always like, he's gonna come out his butt.
So you think for a man to have a baby out his ass? Oh, that is, yeah. That would be complete blasphemy, right? A big old fuck you right there.
Yep.
Wow. And it was her, now I know, yeah, that helped put that together, Stephen. Yeah, because he had his, we should do a podcast. He had his hair up his butt, up her butt. And he's got this really long hair. And that was something else that I wondered, why the hair? Why hair? I found out a lot of hair has a ton of meaning. But one of the meanings that it has is about like who you are on the inside. One of the things. And how your inside connects to the outside. Your hair's like an antenna. So females represent natural creation. So he took his antenna and stuck it up her ass. So that he can pull in her creative energy.
Okay.
Right. But not her vagina, her asshole. Because that's probably where the bull fucks her. Yeah, she had her legs crossed in front of her, but her ass in the air. Remember in that picture? Oh my god, I can hear her saying it. Have you been fucked in the ass by a bull? It's weird. You ever heard her talk? I can hear her. I can hear her saying that to somebody. Have you ever been fucked in the... I bet she said that. So he puts the bull... That's why there was semen everywhere. The bull puts the semen in the ass. And they soak it up. The bowl is just not for, it's not for females only. And her giving it her ass instead of her vagina is the representation of a woman handing over her creative power to a man. Oh my gosh, and that is entirely their relationship. She was famous for fashion or whatever she did. He was nothing, but now he's more popular than she is, but they're married. He was in the video with her. I'm so much more powerful than her now. Because I hold my own power. It's a good thing. We need good witches. Wow, this thing is beautiful. You gotta get like straight onto it, and if you look at it, it's got a cool pattern right there.
So how long does it take?
I don't know. You might just have to go, honey.
Because those wings look like they still have to grow.
They're stuck to him.
They're just stuck to
On
him?
his back, yeah. We probably can't see.
Oh.
They're stuck on his back. Those are his legs. That's his underside.
Oh, that's his underside.
Yeah, his backside's right. It's back here. That's his top. His top is right here. He's upside down. Or she. It
Okay, I see it now.
makes more sense now.
Yeah.
But they're like glued to him right now. It's good. It takes him a long. Once he gets out, then those are gonna start to unstick. Hey, he turned to soup for a year. It takes him 40 minutes to. I mean, sure, that ain't nothing. To come back to life.
Right.
It's just when he was finding him, what the heck it was. I was like, oh my gosh. And its butt was all red. Here, this is where it came out of, right here. There's also these little flies coming out too.
Right there. See it?
Oh yeah. What's that?
I don't know. Looks like a grub, but
It's a
different.
moth.
That's a moth?
Hmm. Not our moth, but it's a moth. Here, give it a. Where'd it go?
Oh, it's
Did I kill it?
no, it's right there.
Do you like these? It feels like you could eat that for the rest of its life. If it likes them. I found out that, like, the pine cone, it's kind of sugar. There's sugar all in it. Did you know that? The pine? I didn't eat it.
No, but you told me the other day.
Oh.
But yeah, that's
That white stuff's sugar.
yeah. Well,
It's like syrup.
I didn't realize somebody had beat up this tree right there. You see it?
Yeah, I don't remember that being there, but
Really?
I really don't. I don't remember this being. It's got eyes. But I don't know that I ever really looked at it super close. You know what I mean? But I don't remember that being there either. You just run up to Starbucks soon. Do you have money?
I have $14 and some change.
I have.
So, alright.
I have a little. And then Alex, well, we have to get when did they mail out? Is there any way you can pick it up tomorrow? Well, don't. Isn't there a check cashing place right by that one wheat store?
I don't know, but I'll go up to the pawn shop and pawn the camera
There you go.
and see if
Save you check.
if
Just
they do.
one. You're gonna want, so just go get coffee. Because we need to look up what it's worth and stuff before you go to the pawn shop, you know?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in my truck. You want me to give it all the pieces?
Well, then I can put it back in to look up for it.
Yeah, and clean it. It might be dusty from sitting in the truck.
Yeah, so while you're gone, I'll see what I can find. Now that I have the box, I can remember what goes with it, you know? I don't have it yet.
That's pretty good. And I do probably have, you know, I have some scrap already too. Probably 15 bucks or so.
Yeah, this one, I mean, you should, I mean... I thought I put it in a bag for you.
Yeah, the night of the coffee
Oh
incident.
no, is it ruined?
No, it didn't get soaked, but it got
So do we know if it still works in it? Here, can I just see it all?
yeah, I just am grabbing the rest of it. It didn't get coffee in it. It just got all over the bag.
There was like a little screw thing. Do you have that? That thing's important. It was like a little screw. It had a black end on it.
A little black egg.
I just have coffee all over them. These are all trash now. They're super dirty now. There's its wings.
Is it opening? Oh, cool.